guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the high-speed crafts on your map on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. At the left side of the screen, go to the filter icon below the star, and in the vessel type section you can find the high speed crafts option, and just click to the white square icon. And now the high speed crafts is displayed on your map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.